Hi, this is Patricia from the Southwest Yankee. What some middle-aged woman will do. Have another bird story for the bird enthusiast. Light moment. Let there be birds to fly in the air above the earth. Genesis 1:20. So this is a shout out to my constituents, my awesome constituents that love birds. So, because they're one of the popular videos. So I was driving in the car, and you know, having lots of different jobs and life in general, sometimes when you have happy, positive thoughts, it's nice to have someone in agreement. So I was driving down the road, and I had this wonderful, happy thought. And as I'm driving, I looked to my left, and there was a bird nodding. I've got pictures. So, nodding in agreement. I was so happy. So at least when someone was in your head, the bird, it was a happy, positive time. So remember to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.